Introduction to sociology is important for three reasons. First, it makes you, the student, aware of how sociologists approach intellectual questions. Often, this idea is expressed by saying that Introduction to Sociology gives the beginning student a chance to develop a sociological imagination. In C. Wright Mills' terms, the sociological imagination is a way of thinking which focuses on the effort to understand the intersections of a person's biography and history within society. In other words, to develop a sociological imagination is to develop a methodology for thinking about one's social structure, experiences, and situations. The sociological imagination includes two basic cognitive processes, both of which need to be carefully developed by you, the beginning student. The first is theoretical thinking about social structure, while the second is the place of empirical inquiry and sociological analysis. You should come away from this class respecting theoretical approaches as well as being prepared to think critically about the world around you. Second, while it is true that many students do not go beyond the Intro to Sociology class, their educational activities will require critical thinking. If the student does not take social problems of marriage and family, this foundation is a must. Third, Intro to Sociology ensures that you will be broadly educated so you will better function as a citizen of the United States with a healthy respect for other cultures and social structures. You will better understand how things happen in the world the way they do. This module will introduce you to sociology, the sociological imagination, and studying sociology. So let's get started.